Just having a quick look on this side of the car to see if I can figure out why this side seems to struggle. The motor on the other side seems to work absolutely fine, but on this side it was overheating when it was struggling in the grass out there, which I have since cut. And I can't see anything obvious. I was expecting maybe there was lots of sand or something in here. There is some water, just a little bit, so it's not entirely waterproof. It looks like a little bit of rust there, possibly. But nothing that makes me think there's a problem with any of the bearings or gearing on this side. So I'm at a bit of a loss, really. I'll get the water out, and this looks just a little bit dark just there and there. But nothing dramatic. It may just be that the motor on this side, that's the end of the spline gear on the motor, maybe that motor is a problem. Nothing obvious. Well, the motor sounds fine. So, can't see anything obvious at all. Because I haven't looked at the other side might not be packed with as much grease as this side. It's possible. Some of these bearings look a little bit worn, or shafts. I'll clean them. Yeah, I don't find anything significant there at all. Just do them in the right order.
Why did you take two of the wheels off?
Try and find out what was wrong with it. One side is definitely faster than the other. I don't know why. Well, that seems to work. I haven't recharged the battery since yesterday, so that's probably a good 20 minutes it's been running on that 2S lithium-ion battery I made. So pleased with that. And all I've done since yesterday is given it a rest. Oh, and I took apart the gearbox to have a look, but I couldn't find anything wrong with it. So that'll do. We'll have to try it in the duck pond again. I just noticed I didn't have the bodywork on straight and it was rubbing the tyres. I've straightened it up now. You can do forwards and reverse wheelies. Oops. Well, it works. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.